Today I'll show you how to organize your fridge completely for free without buying anything new. We are going to use items you already have at home or things you'd usually toss in the trash. Here's the first idea. When your fridge drawer is a mess, you don't need expensive containers. Just use paper grocery bags. Unfold them, trim the top to the height you need, and fold the edges inward like this. This reinforces the walls, helping the bag hold its shape and stay stable. Place this inside your drawer to sort fruits and vegetables. Use different sizes to create zones so nothing rolls around or gets mixed up. This also works great on regular shelves to maximize every inch of space. And the best part, if a bag gets dirty, don't wash it, just swap it for a new one. Your drawer stays spotless. If you're short on vertical space, try this. 2 tension rods. I place them across the fridge, between the side walls, just below the main shelf. Tighten them until they're secure, and you are done. You can set a light tray on top, or place items directly on the rods. Underneath this mini shelf, you still have plenty of room for other products. Just don't overload it. This works best for lightweight items. Pro tip: choose rods with rubber ends for a better grip. We all love leftover cake, but storing it can be a hassle. Here's a simple trick. Use a standard food container, but flip it. Place the cake on the lid and use the container as the cover. This makes it much easier to put away and take out without ruining the frosting. Just make sure the container is deep enough for your slice. Don't rush to throw away plastic trays from tomatoes or other veggies. These clear containers are perfect to reuse. They are great for small items like yogurts, cheese snacks, sauce packets and other fridge clutter. Assign each tray a category: snacks, breakfast items or small veggies. You can even tuck them inside paper bags or combine them with other organizers. They are lightweight, easy to grab and keep everything visible. If there is a spill, just wash the tray or replace it. Milk cartons make excellent durable dividers. Cut off the top to create a box, then trim it into long, narrow sections. Place them inside a larger container to create organized sections. Now your yogurts, cottage cheese and deli packs will stay perfectly upright. Plus, the inside of these cartons is moisture resistant, so they are easy to clean or replace if needed. Magazine file holders are incredibly versatile. In the fridge, they are perfect for bottles like sauces, ketchup, oil or drinks. Stand them up vertically to stop bottles from rolling around. Or lay the holder horizontally to stack cheese slices or deli meats in layers. It saves space and keeps everything accessible. Those wooden crates mandarins come in. I give them a second life as a breakfast station. Load it up with everything you need: yogurt, butter, jam and cheese. Grab one crate and breakfast is ready in a minute. This also works for potatoes, onions or any category you like. If you want, you can oil the wood or paint it to match your style. Don't toss those small glass food jars. They are perfect mini containers for healthy snacks. Store pre-washed and cut carrots, cucumbers, celery, grapes or bell peppers inside. Keep them right at eye level or in the fridge door, and the healthy snack is always within reach. To prevent food waste, grab any clear box and label it "Eat me first". Put in open packages, leftovers or anything nearing its expiration date. When you open the fridge, this is the first thing you see. It's a simple way to reduce waste and save money. If you have half a lemon left, don't let it dry out. Take a plastic lid, like from a Pringles can. Make 2 small slits on the sides and thread a rubber band through it. Your DIY lemon cover is ready. Secure it over the cut side of the lemon and pop it in the fridge. This is a lifesaver for small freezers. Put your ground meat in a freezer bag and roll it flat with a rolling pin. You can even use a chopstick to press lines into it for portions. It takes up almost no space and defrosts much faster. To keep herbs fresh longer, store them in the fridge with water. But to prevent them from tipping over or absorbing odors, try this. Stand the herbs in a small container of water, then use a little mountain putty-like sticky tack to secure the base to a lid. Cover it with a large jar like a dome. It stays fresh, protected and upright. A napkin holder is a great hidden organizer. It's perfect for holding vacuum-sealed packages upright on a shelf or in the door. It saves a ton of space and makes it easy to flip through your items. Have you seen these clip-on dividers? They are perfect for creating structure in the door bins. They are easy to slide around and dishwasher safe. They keep your bottles and jars from rattling or falling over every time you open the door. Parchment paper isn't just for the oven. I use it to wrap produce to extend its shelf life. It's breathable enough to let the food breathe, but thick enough to prevent it from drying out too fast. Friends, you'll find plenty of other DIY organization ideas on my channel for every budget. To see more creative kitchen storage tips, click the video on your screen right now. If this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye!